look into a mirror, we see the image of our face in it. In this case, our face is the object, and what we see in the mirror is the image. Images are seen in day-to-day life. The image of our face appears to be situated behind the mirror. While watching a movie in a cinema hall, we see images of the actors and actresses in the film role projected again on the cinema screen. An image is formed when the light rays coming from an object meet or appear to meet at a point after reflection from a mirror. Images are of two types: real images and virtual images. Real images. The image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. In a cinema hall, we see the images of actors and actresses on the screen. So, the image formed on the cinema screen is an example of a real image. A real image is formed when light rays coming from an object actually meet at a point after reflection from a mirror. Virtual images. The image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. The image of our face formed by a plain mirror cannot be obtained on a screen. It can be seen only by looking into the mirror. A virtual image is formed when light rays coming from an object only appear to meet at a point when produced backwards but do not actually meet after reflection from a mirror. Image of a point object formed by a plane mirror. In the figure, let MM1 be a plane mirror in front of which a point object O is placed. From the object O, rays of light travel in all directions. Let OA and OB be any two such rays which, obeying the laws of reflection, get reflected in directions AC and BD respectively from the mirror MM1. When seen from a position between C and D, the rays AC and BD appear to come from some point I behind the mirror. This point I is the virtual image of the object O. The image is virtual because the reflected rays do not actually meet at I, but to our eyes they appear to have come from the point I where they meet when they are produced backwards. In the figure, let MM1 be a plane mirror in front of which an extended object AB is placed. From the points A and B of the object, rays of light travel in all directions. Let AP and AQ be two such rays incident on the mirror from the point A which get reflected as PP' and QQ' respectively from the mirror. These reflected rays, when produced backwards, meet at the point A'. Thus, A' is the virtual image of the point A. Similarly, from the point B of the object, BR and BS are the two incident rays on the mirror which are reflected as RR' and SS' respectively, and they meet at point B' when produced backwards. Thus, B' is the virtual image of the point B. Similarly, for the other points of the object AB, virtual images are formed between A' and B'. Thus, A', B' is the virtual image of the object AB. It is erect and of the same size as the object. Lateral inversion. If an object is placed in front of a plane mirror, then the right side of the object appears to be the left side of the image, and the left side of the object appears to be the right side of its image. This change of sides of an object and its mirror image is called lateral inversion. The phenomenon of lateral inversion is due to the reflection of light. The image formed in a plane mirror is laterally inverted or reversed horizontally with respect to the object.
lateral inversion, no? Different topic.